So just quickly have a recapitulation of it. Pranya, Kashvi, today is your first class. So I'm recapitulate your topic which we have done till yet. Okay.
Okay.
Huh. And this nth term, this is the sum of n term, and we have done nth term of an AP. So before that, what is your AP, children? Abhinav, tell me what is your AP? Abhinav.
Good evening.
Good evening, Aryan. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav, tell me what is your AP?
As arithmetic progression, right? Identity progression.
Arithmetic progression. How you can identify that given series is an AP?
Ma'am, if the first term with and second term, right? If the numbers in the sequence are related,
Have same common difference, right?
as same common difference.
Yes. See, beta, if you have a series 1, 3, 5, 7, this kind of pattern, if you are seeing, then how you can identify this is an AP? AP means arithmetic progression. So you will just check the common difference. Now see, when you are adding 2 to 1, you will get 3. So when you are adding 2 to 3, you will get 5. Then again, when you are adding 2 to 5, then you will get 7. So on. You will get the 9, then 11 after adding 2. So in this way, you will identify when common difference between the two consecutive terms remains the same throughout the series. That is called AP. Okay, Pranya, Kashvi?
What exactly is AP, like arithmetic
Yes,
progression?
yes. Suppose if we are having another series 2, 4, 6, 8. So here also, your common difference is 2 if you will observe, right? And it will remain the same throughout the series. So that is called your APC. Okay. Now suppose if you are having a series -3, then -5, -8, then -11, -13. So again, if you are observing that difference between -3 and -8 is -5, because when you are adding -3 to -5, you will get -8. Now -8 to -3, you will get -11, right? So here, when you are adding -2 to -11, you will get 13. So here difference is not the same. So therefore, this is not in AP. Okay, Kashvi and Pranya?
Okay, arithmetic progression is when like a series of numbers are given and the differences are the same.
Yes,
Is it
yes.
something? Okay, fine.
And if the common difference is not same, therefore this is not in AP. Okay. Suppose if we are having any series. Suppose a series is given like this. A, 3A, 5A, so on. And you have to check the given series in AP or not. So how you will check? You will just check their common differences. So see, the common difference between first and second term is 2A. Because when you will add A to 2A, you will get 3A. So when you are adding 3 to 3A to 2A, then you will again get 5A. So their common difference is same. It means this is in A. Clear, Pranya and Kashvi? Kashvi, Pranya,
Yes,
understood?
ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So children, see. Now we have to find, see, suppose you have given an AP. Your general AP is Moksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is your general AP?
Yeah, ma'am.
Let A be the first term. And D be the common difference. Now tell me, Moksha, what is your AP? General AP.
Yeah, ma'am.
This will be A, then A plus D. Now you will add D to again this number. Then you will add D to this number. Then again you will add D to this number. Have you remembered now, children? Aryan, Abhinav, Sudhamshu,
Yes, ma'am.
Dharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
this A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and then A plus 4. So on. This is your general AP beta. Okay? Kashvi and Pranya, don't worry beta. I will take your extra class for explaining this AP. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. Now next is, if you have given an AP, suppose 1, 5, 9, then 30. And I will ask you that find first term and common difference. Yes, Sudhamshu, tell me what is your first term and common difference?
Ma'am, first term is 1 and
Sudhamshu, what is, yes,
common difference is 4.
yes. See, beta, your first term is 1. This is your second term. This is your third term and this is your fourth term. And you will represent always your first term by A. So first term is 1 and common difference also represented by symbol small letter D. So D will be A2 minus A1, means second term minus first term. So 5 minus 1, it will be 4. Now this series is already given in AP. So no need to check further common differences. Okay. So here, or you can check also. See, if you are subtracting second term from third term. So 9 minus 5, it will be 4. Then 13 minus 4 term minus third term. Then 13 minus, sorry, 13 minus 9 you will write. So 13 minus 9 again. So your common difference is 4 and first term is 1. Yes, children, all have understood? Grade 10?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
And we don't have to write now. Ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday I was unable to find a test.
Why?
Ma'am,
It
I
was
don't
in the
know.
Wise app only and you have not messaged even.
Ma'am, I was searching in a Wise app. I didn't find any pop-up like previously.
Actually, there are few changes in Wise app.
Ma'am, in WhatsApp, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now it is very changed, ma'am. So,
Yes, beta.
so ma'am, if we go to math section, no, ma'am. And then in content, we'll go, ma'am. Then we should
Yes.
scroll down.
Then you will get resource, test, assessment, all the folders, right?
Yes, ma'am. Then in test, ma'am, the last test is the live one.
Still it is live.
No, ma'am. Like if that day the exam should be given, it will be live.
Okay.
Ma'am, even yesterday seeing my marks was also difficult, ma'am.
Okay. So it were not visible.
No, ma'am, the marks was not visible until I did one ma'am, there will be shared test, no, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So I clicked on that link, ma'am, and I opened it, no, ma'am. It directed me to the link, ma'am, and it
Oh.
showed my marks.
Okay. Means there are lot of changes in the visor.
Ma'am, glitches, ma'am.
So children, while attempting a test, if you are going to attempt a test, just if you are going to attempt the science test, so go to your science folder. Okay. And then in content, you will get your video or your test, assessment, all the things. Okay. In the same with maths also. So in maths folder, you will get all the things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can check it also, Meher, so that in next step there will be no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta?
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
scroll up once?
Yeah, beta.
Ma'am, can I write a test after the class?
Yes, you can solve. It
Okay,
will be
ma'am.
visible,
Ma'am,
beta.
ma'am, can you just show the general AP thing? I'll note it.
Yeah.
We have to write this, ma'am.
Beta, you have already done. I'm only recapitulating. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have to start sum of n terms, and sum of n terms also contain this n term.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, are we done with the first 4 chapters?
We have completed chapter number 1, 2, 3, and this 4, 5 we are doing.
So we can find all the other things in the recordings.
Yes. Or if you are facing any difficulty, just ask me. I will take your extra class. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
And don't worry for explaining this chapter 5.2 exercise. I will take your class. Okay. Yeah. Yes, children. All have understood till here. Now, next is nth term. How you can find? Suppose if you have given a series, -5, -7, -9, -11. And I will ask you that find the 100th term. Oh, sorry, 1000 term. So it will be time consuming to write all the terms till 1000. Right, beta? So to save our time, our mathematicians have developed a formula for finding any term. So that formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. With the help of this formula, this is important. With this formula, you can find any term. 1000, 2000, million, billion, any term you want to find. So suppose how you will apply this formula. This series we have -5, -7, -9, -11. So this A represent first term. This D represent common difference. And this N is number of terms. So first of all, we will find value of A. So what is your first term? The first value of the series, so -5. Now find common difference. What is your common difference? Difference between two consecutive terms. So -7 minus minus. Because my second term is already of minus sign. So -7 minus minus plus. So minus. Right. Now we have to find 1000 term. It means the value of n is 1000. So or put the values, all values in this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an 8000 is equal to value of a is -5 plus. Now value of n is 1000 minus 1 and value of d is minus. Understood, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Pranya, Kashvi, Understood,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now minus 5, 1000 minus 1 is 999, multiply minus 2. Now solve it. Minus 5 plus 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18 and 19, 2 nines are 18 and 19. So it will be like this. Now minus 5 minus plus minus minus 1998. Add them. So it will be minus 8, 5, 13, 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 2003. Minus 2003. It means your 1000 term of this series will be 2003 minus 2000. Children understood?
Yes, ma'am. Is there a particular
Yes.
name for this formula?
Yes, beta, nth term of NAP.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what's the name, ma'am?
Beta, to find the nth term of NAP.
Okay. Ma'am, what exactly is an anatome?
Beta, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, what exactly is an anatome?
Your voice is breaking, beta. Please write in the chat box. Are you writing, beta? Pranya?
Ma'am, I'll rejoin, ma'am.
Kashvi, have you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Siddhishri? Sudhamshu?
I'm sure
Yes,
asking
ma'am.
for AN term, ma'am.
Pranya was asking about AN.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She has not joined with audio. See, children, our next is see, I'm explaining what is your AN. See, first term you are representing. Suppose this is your series A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So, first term you are representing with A1, second with A2, third with A3, fourth is A4, fifth is A5, and the term nth means this is generalized. Generalized term. It means by putting the value of n, you will get that particular term. Pranya, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. My doubt is clarified. You're explaining it right now.
Okay. It is clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question of n term. Then we will proceed to sum of n terms. Okay. And Siddhishri, Pranya and Kashvi. I will drop the message whenever you have to take the class. Okay. Extra class of maths.
Okay.
Now suppose if you have given the series 5, comma 9, comma 13, and you have to find 105th term. So Kashvi, please tell me what is the value of first term?
5.
Yes. And it will represent it by symbol A.
A.
Good. Pranya, tell me the common difference.
4.
Yes, beta. A2 minus A1. So 9 minus 5, it will be 4. Now, what is the value of N? Tell me.
105.
105. Because you have to find 105th term. So value of N will be 105. Now we have our general term for finding nth term. It is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put the values. So A 105 will be equal to, value of A is 5, just write here 5 plus 105 minus 1 into D. D will be 4.
4.
Now 5 plus 104 into 4. So 5 plus 416. Then add them. So it will be 420. Now it will be more clear, beta. So how you will find the nth term, right? Yes, good Pranya. Your answer is correct. Yes, grade 10, all have understood now? Nth term of NAP?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm going to proceed to the topic sum of n terms. Okay, beta. Now next is sum of n terms of an AP. So what is your sum of n terms? It means the sum of n consecutive terms of any arithmetic sequence. If you have given, suppose if I'm asking you that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what is the sum of this series? It contains only 5 terms. So what is the sum, beta?
15. And 15.
It will be 2
15.
plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 and 15. So if you are going to add like this, it will take so much time, right? And suppose if we have to find sum of 100 terms. Sum of 100 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 98, 99, 100 you can write. Okay, 100 terms we can write like this, sequence of 100 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to dash dash, 98, 99 and 100. So we can make a pair also. Right? So we can make a pair, see. 100 plus 1 will be 101 beta.
Yes.
Now 99 plus 2, it will be again 101. Then 3 plus 98, 101. So if you will see, then there will be 1 comma 100, 2 comma 99, 3 comma 98, then 4 comma 97. In this way, you will get 50 pairs. Am I correct?
Yes.
If you are going to add, so you will get 50 pairs. So what you will do then? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 100. You can write like this, 100 multiply by 50. Because we know that the multiplication is just a repeated addition. Right, beta? So 50 pairs are there. So instead of adding 101 to 50 times, you can just multiply them by 50. 101 by 50. Right, beta? Children,
Yes.
please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The sum will be 5050.
Yes.
Now it will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
so time consuming. So to save our time, AP has solved our problem. They have just introduced. So we have our general AP. We have an AP. A, first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, so on. Right? Your last term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Right, beta? So now they have introduced a formula, sum of n term. That is Sn is equal to n by 2, where n is the number of term, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. I can show you also for AP, but I guess there will be no use for you. Only this formula you have to learn, sum of n term, and in few questions, when first and last term is given. Suppose if you have given like 1, 2, 3, and here I have given 100. So here you know first term and your last term. And n already you know that n is 100 terms. First term is your 1 and last term is 100. So in this case also you can apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last. This is the formula. So these two formulas plus nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d you have to learn for this chapter, whole chapter. So please note these formulas, beta. Then I am going to explain you through example application of this formula.
Ma'am, when will this chapter end?
Yes, beta.
When will this chapter end?
It will depend on you only. Because if you will complete your homework, then definitely we will complete this chapter very fast, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And I guess this exercise 5.3 also contain 20 questions, around 20 questions. And there is miscellaneous exercise also.
Ma'am, but on Saturday you told you will start a new chapter.
Yes, beta?
On Saturday you told you will start a new chapter.
New chapter. No, beta, I was not saying that new chapter. I was asking about this. I was telling about this new topic only.
Okay, ma'am.
This is sum of n terms. And after this, we will start our trigonometry, okay? After 5th chapter.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Written, all have written. Kindly show me your thumbs up, children. Aryan, Siddhishri, Sudhamshu. Siddhishri, you have not written, beta, Aryan?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am. Ma'am, we can use both the formula, no, ma'am. Sn
Yes,
equals
just,
to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, no, ma'am.
yes.
Okay.
Formula for Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And whenever first and last term is given, then you can apply this formula n by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay. Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can show you the application also. See, I have asked you that find the sum of first 5 natural numbers. And you have told me that sum was 15, right, beta? So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here first term is, speak children, 1.
A
1,
And common difference is 1.
1.
1,
And how many terms are there? 5.
5,
So you can apply this formula Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 5 by 2, 2a means 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 1d. So it will be 5 by 2 into 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 16. Or 2 3s are 6. Then 5 3s are is 50. Right, beta? Now or, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here first term is given 1 and your last term is given 5.
Yes.
So you can apply that formula also. So it was n by 2, first term plus last term. So it is n by 2, first term is 1, last term is 5. And value of n is also 5. Right here 5. So 5 by 2 into 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So it will be 50. Now children, have you understood how to apply this formula?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Please note this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Children, those who have written, kindly show me your thumbs up quickly.
Written, ma'am.
Okay. Pranya, okay. Siddhishri, Kashvi, Dhairya. Okay, beta. Now suppose in any question, it is written that find the sum of first 16 terms of an AP. AP is given 5, 8, 11, 14, so on. So here, tell me children, what is your value of A?
5.
5,
And common difference?
3,
3. You will write 8 minus 5, right? So it is 3. And value of N is?
16,
Yes, because you have to find sum of 16 terms. So value of N is 16. Now apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Now value of n, 16 by 2, 2a, 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1, 15. Value of d is, now just solve. 16 by 2 into 2 5s are 10, 3 15 3s are 45. 2 8s is 16. So 8 into 55. So it will be 440. This is the answer. Yes, children, I guess it is more clear to you how to apply the sum of n terms formula.
Yes, ma'am.
So in today's homework, I will give you 2 questions based on this formula only. Sum of n terms. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Completed.
Done, ma'am.
All have written. Show me a thumbs
Yes,
up
ma'am.
quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we will meet in tomorrow's class. And in today's homework, I will give 2 questions of this type only. Kindly send it on my WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't
Okay,
forget
ma'am.
to send your homework.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye-bye,
ma'am.
children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Siddhishri, beta, unmute yourself. No one is there except you. Kindly unmute yourself. I want to talk to you. लड़की भी ना. Siddhishri, unmute yourself. Am I audible, beta? Please unmute karo, beta. Unmute yourself. Okay, Siddhishri.